I'm going to go through two different things with you. I'm going to go through the stop function and the stylization. So to start with, I'll go through the stop function. So the stop function is where you can stop an image generating at a specific time to create a blurred effect. So you can go up in increments of 10. So you start with 10 and then you'll go up to 100. You wouldn't probably put in 100 because that's, you know, the image sort of generated at the end. So there's no need to do that. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you an image and I'm going to go through 10, 20, 30, go through all the increments and to show you how each sort of stage is different and depending on what kind of effect you would like. So let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So I'm going to do, we're going to use our normal prompt, imagine prompt, and then we're going to do blonde lady walking by the Italian lakes. And I've put in that it's a windy day because I just wanted to see if we can get some kind of effect with it being windy and with it sort of getting blurry, just trying to see what we can generate with that. And then I'm going to go ahead and do all these prompts and then I'll come back to you when everything is done. Cool. Okay, so let's see what images Midjourney has created for us. So as you can see, by using stop 10, we really don't have much of an image there at all. Obviously, if you were wanting this kind of effect, then that might work for you. 20 as well, not a lot happening. Stop 30, got a little bit more of an image being created. 40, we're starting to see the lady a little bit more, but still not a lot. 50s, here we go, it's not looking sort of too bad. I quite like square 4. I think that looks quite cool, like with her hair. I'm quite liking that look. 60, let's have a look at these. They look quite cool. Quite like square 3, like her lips look really in focus and then her hair and obviously the building in the background look really blurry, which I think looks quite cool effect. And then I'm quite liking it from 70. Here we go. So yeah, quite like square 4 as well, square 3. Brilliant. I just love her hair, how it's like being blown in the wind. I just think it looks amazing with the blurry effect. 80 as well, looks really good. Loving square 4 here, how everything else is blurry and like her hair coming in, you know, it's being blown from the side. Square 3 as well, with her dress being sort of blown in the wind with the hair. I think that's awesome. And I love square 1, she looks great. And then 90 is pretty cool as well, I think. Just like bits are blurry. I love square 2 with the light sort of coming in on her face, and square 3 as well. I think they look amazing. And then I did it, obviously stop like 100, but don't type it in. And then these are our finished images, which look amazing, I think, with the hair and stuff. So yeah, that's just another parameter for you guys to use if you're sort of wanting a sort of blurry effect, which is amazing. The next parameter that I'm going to do is stylization. So this is a parameter that is amazing. I love using it. I think it's so cool. So Midjourney does really favor color composition in this. So the image may not be exactly what you're after, but the color and everything definitely should be. And I think images just look amazing using this parameter. So what I'll do is I'll show you how we use it. So this can go up in increments of 250. So we'll go up to 250 and then start with and then end with 1,000. So you'll see. So let's do our usual and stylization. Let's start with the 250. So let's go ahead. Okay, so let's see what Midjourney has created for us. So we're going to start with stylization at 250. So we can see the pictures look amazing. I'm loving the red dress. Everything, yeah, they are perfect. They're looking so awesome, sort of exactly, kind of what I was after. Let's go up to here, 500. It's amazing. You can see like the colour of the red dress is looking so awesome. Like square 3 here, the detail on her dress as she's walking is amazing, and square 2 as well. The colour of the red, the green hills and the water, you can see the detail of it, the water looking so clear there, everything. I just think it is amazing. Okay, let's look at 750. So wow, god, everything looks so beautiful. Obviously I'm kind of after that real type image, so it's not quite what I'm after. Square 2 is looking really good. Not loving the red of her dress. Looks very nice. Square 4 there, so that looks amazing. And let's go to 1,000. Oh wow, I think these look incredible. The red in square 2 looks amazing, and you can see like the detail of people in the background, a couple of sort of red things in the background, which is awesome. And I think square 1 as well is just fantastic, with all the people like walking and everything, and square 3 as well. I love it. I think they're just amazing. So by just using that parameter of that stylization, you get that real amazing level of color composition, and that I love it. I always use it when I'm creating my images with Midjourney. I think they look amazing. So that was just a quick video going over the stop function and stylization. If you found this video useful, if you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, it really does help our channel and we appreciate it so much. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.